your profile picture is key to your personal brand and online networking, and fixing it is a one-time action that gives you lasting benefits. But how and where do you start with? Don't worry, because you've landed on the right video. We've got you all covered, from an AI-based background remover to adding cool outlines and gradient backgrounds, editing colors, shadows, filters and much more, all from a single platform. By the end of this video, you will be able to design your own awesome profile picture with matching background covers in minutes. That's cool, right? Hello makers, this is Jack, the content marketer at PicMaker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome profile picture from any photo in minutes. If you're new to designing, the whole process of choosing a picture and deciding what effects to add can be a bit overwhelming, right? But it doesn't have to be when we are using PicMaker. Watch the video till the end. We've also got you 7 tips to nail your profile picture. Don't miss out on that. With no further delay, let's jump on to today's video. Step 1. Open PicMaker. Open a new page in your browser and go to www.picmaker.com to log into your account. If you are a new user, you can sign up to PicMaker for free. Now we are on PicMaker's dashboard. PicMaker is an easy drag and drop graphic design tool that lets you create professional looking graphics effortlessly. It has more than 10,000 plus gradients and filter effects that you can use to create your profile picture. Step 2. Choose a template. Find the perfect dimensions that fit well for your profile picture. Preferably a square image works best for your profile pictures. And since all our IG templates are square, click on your favorite IG template to get it started. Step 3. Upload your photo. The first thing you need to do is upload your picture into PicMaker. Upload a cool photo of yourself in a JPEG or a PNG format. Step 4. Edit the photo. Select the uploaded photo and drag and drop it onto the slide. On the photo toolbar that appears on the top is where you can crop the picture. Add cool filters and enhance your picture with the color grading options. Play around with it until you get the right effect for your picture. But please do note, if you add something you don't like or you make a mistake, don't panic. Just use the undo button at the top. It's that easy. Step 5. Remove background. Select the picture, go to effects and from the drop down list, select background remover. Boom! The background is removed automatically. Our AI based algorithm will identify and automatically remove the background from your picture. For better results, upload high quality contrast photos of yourself with good lighting and make sure your headshot is not cut by image boundaries. Step 6. Add an outline. Select the photo and on the photo toolbar that appears at the top, select the effects tab. From the drop down set of icons, click on the Stickerify button. Now it opens up a new tab where you can adjust the width of the border by dragging the slider. Step 7. Pick the right background. In PicMaker's library, you will find 1000 plus gradients to deck out your design. Use the drag and drop tool to move them onto your page. From this sidebar, you can select and change the background of your image. Step 8. Download. When you're happy with the image you have created, click to download the finished image to your desktop or save it to a folder. You can download your design as a JPEG or PNG. You can also upload it directly to your social media accounts from PicMaker using the publish button. Now we have successfully created and downloaded the profile picture. You can use it as profile pictures on social media, display pictures on messengers, headshots for email signatures, resume, and in a lot of other ways. With PicMaker, it's not difficult to create a stunning profile picture, right? Go create one for yourself and get more exposure for your profile right now. Here are 7 ways to nail your profile picture. Tip 1. Show your face. Everyone has a passion, but your profile picture isn't the place to show that. The goal of your profile picture is to show your face. 2. Frame yourself. Find a sweet spot that's not too far, not too close. Let them see your face, but don't crowd the camera with just your face. Tip 3. Turn up your smile setting. A smile goes a long way, so make sure you're smiling bright in your profile picture. Tip 4. Use contrasting colors. Since LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter use a lot of blue, putting on an orange shirt or any top with warm colors will make your picture stand out. Tip 5. Use a simple background. The focus of the image should be on your face. Busy backgrounds can take the focus off of you, which isn't ideal. always use a plain colored background for your profile picture. Tip 6. Get a bit of your brand into your photo. Try to sneak elements of your brand into your profile picture. For example, wear a shirt with your company's brand color or put the brand color in the background of your picture. Your last and final tip. Use the same headshot on all your profiles. Using the same profile picture allows others to quickly identify you across various social media platforms. Thanks for making it to the end. Hope this video was helpful to you. PicMaker also has plenty of tutorials to start you off on your graphic design journey. There's also a blog page full of helpful tips and techniques on graphic design. I'm dropping the link in the description. Do check it out as well. And if you're new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive real-time updates from us. And what do you want us to cover in the next video? Let us know in the comments below. With PicMaker, you can create awesome thumbnails, Instagram posts, ads, logos, stickers, presentations, and more like a professional. Best of all, you don't need any design knowledge to get going on PicMaker. What are you waiting for? Now go and unleash your own creativity with PicMaker. Happy designing!